Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. Here is wild geranium, our next plant species. This species can be found in North America, in the northeastern United States. The Meskwaki Native Americans used it as a tea for toothaches. They used the roots. I thought that was pretty interesting. I like finding native plant species, especially these late spring flowers. I can hear a scarlet tanager in the background. Hopefully I can get lucky and able to share that species with everyone as well.